guys, back to my video. Today we're going to be doing alternate fidgets. So in 3, 2, 1, we'll unbox it. 3, 2, 1. This is my little sister. Her name's Maureen, but she likes it when some people call her Bunny, so you can call her Bunny. Let's continue. So we're gonna pick a fidget each, and I'm gonna go first, and I really want to pick monkey noodles. So these are called monkey noodles, and they're so fun. They're like so fun to play with, and they stretch so much. My one's gonna be this pop tube. Erin, what do you want? Yeah, what do you want? She likes this simple dimple. You want to try it out? Yes. Wow, it looks so much fun to play with. How about now? I'm gonna go again, and I got this thing. I have no idea what it's called, but it's so fun to play with. Okay, and my one is probably going to be this Play-Doh. Yeah. But Ian will test it out for you guys. Yeah, because Barine loves Play-Doh. Wow, but Ian, do you like it? Yeah. Okay, Barine, which one do you want? How about... you want to... That's weird. Don't pull it yet. I think it's already on. How about you do this? Okay, do you want to do that one? Look, so this is the pea popper. This is the pea popper. It's really cool, but it's so hard to pop the peas out. But you can see it's right under there. So, yeah.